Good afternoon, everyone. Here's Shaw from JR's Car Reviews. If you're new to my channel, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Also, make sure your notifications turned on so that we know when I upload a new video. So for today's in-depth review, we're going to be taking an in-depth look at the all-new 2021 Chevrolet Equinox Redline Edition. This is going to be a full tour of the Equinox Redline Edition. I'm going to start it. I'm also going to show the engine, and I'm also going to show you guys the inside as well as the outside of the SUV. So with that being said, here's the key. Just go ahead and climb on in and get started. On the key, you got your lock, unlock, your remote start, trunk release, and your panic button. It's a black exterior, and it has smart key access on the driver's door and the front passenger door. And it has black leather interior, power driver's seat with power recline and power lumbar. This push button start. All I have to do is push on the brake and hit the button to start the engine. Very nice. It's got a 3-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel. Very smooth power steering. You also have sport grips on 10 and 2. With stitching all around the wheel. It's got a 6-speed automatic transmission. You also have low gear selection, and you have manual shiftability via the plus and minus on the shifter. You also have a backup camera with guidance lines. Electronic park brace okay right here. Alright, let's go on the lights, fog lights, as well as the hazards. Automatic driver's side window, and check out the exterior. You have blind spot detection on the mirrors. You also have LED turn signal mirrors. So the tires are these. These are 235 50R19 tires. You have HID headlights with your LED daytime running lights. There's your fog lights. You have LED tail lights with the LED turn signal indicators. There's your reverse camera. gonna pop the hood. Coming up to the hood, you have Chevrolet's 1.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. Oil. Here's your battery. Got your power window, window lock, power mirrors, power door locks, chrome door handle, your tailgate adjustment button. You also have 2 burst memory settings, and you have storage down there. Alright, I'm just going to give it a couple of revs. Very nice. Got your climate control, your fan speed, your temperature on each side. This dual zone. You have air conditioning, automatic. You have your different modes: front defrost, rear defrost, 3-stage heated seats for the driver and passenger. Over there you have your wireless charging pad, and you have your USB outlet, your 2 USB outlets, your auxiliary input. You have a 12-volt power outlet, your cup holders. You have storage in here with your 2 USB outlets. You have a light in there. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the radio.
But I'm always right, so I know how to shoot, and I know how to fight.
Sounds pretty nice. So you have your FM, your AM, your satellite radio. Your AM. You have your presets up here. You have your sound, which you can adjust the bass, the mid-range, and your treble. Alright, so here's the home screen. You have your audio, your phone, Wi-Fi hotspot, users, settings. You have all your settings, apps, your users. Alright, show that one. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, your apps. Also our services in my Chevrolet. So, pretty standard stuff. Sort of vague sexual allegations and pay no attention to the COVID scandal that implicates all these Democrats. What kind of challenges is Cuomo actually facing? I think they're serious challenges, but you You have your driver info system.
The sexual harassment, and there's actually been some allegations of assault. I'm not saying they're not serious. The Attorney General's looking into that, but the reality is, I think
your voice command, your Bluetooth telephone. You have your cruise control, your forward collision alert, and you have your lane departure warning, your turn signals. Does have automatic high beams. Your wipers. Right there, you got your tachometer, your fuel gauge, your temperature, and your speedometer. And where it says P is your gear selector. You have your gauge brightness right here, your lights, and you have your fog lights. You have your interior lights. Your garage home link, your all-star services, sunglass storage. It's got an automatic rearview mirror. Alright, so I guess that's pretty much it for the inside. Go ahead and put the window down. We'll check out the back seat. Total price for this one is $33,490, and the base price is $31,400. There are the options. And the MPG is 26 city and 31 highway. You have a power window, home door handle, storage. My pocket. You have your air vents, your 2 USB outlets. You have your ocean handle with your interior light. Cup holders with your center armrest. You can also get a panel. You can also get a panel sunroof as an option if you want. Alright, let's go check out the hatch. You have a nice amount of storage, and you have your storage in there, your 12-volt power outlet. And these fold down the third row seats, or the seats. You have a power window, storage, power door locks, a fully manual passenger seat.
So I support impeachment, and I think that's important.
You have a glove box.
For his family members or close associates, another thing I forgot to mention, right, is vaccine job, right? The vaccine, Larry Schwartz, who's not a healthcare provider. This was the governor's enforcer with the FDA.
All right, let's go ahead and shut everything down. Oh, and I also forgot to mention you have your audio controls on the back of the wheel.
That was received. Yes, of course. I saw many people.
And you can also change the stations. So yeah. All right, let's kind of cut everything off. Well guys, hope you enjoyed the tour on the all-new 2021 Chevrolet Equinox Redline Edition. If you're interested in buying this car at Morris Chevrolet, please give them a call. I'll leave the link and the telephone number down in the description down below. Thanks a lot for watching, and goodbye. Stay tuned for the next video.